Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to send message with gentle effect. So if you want to send message using gentle effect on message, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So if you want to send message with a gentle effect, first thing you have to do is open your messaging app on your phone. So right here, this is I'm using my my chatting with my own chat as an example. So any message I'm going to send right here will also be delivered to me. So if you want to practice this method, you can also use it with any other person, maybe an iPhone user which have and the person also have an iMessage is enabled on his or her phone. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is you have to input a message so that we can apply the effect. So I'm just going to tap on hello world. Okay, this is it here. So for me to get the effect I want, so I'll just long click on this arrow up button right in front of the message. Then I'm just going to click on the gentle effect right after the invincible, at the top of the invincible link. So you just tap on it like that. Then you can now tap on and that is what the effect looks like. It's increased the bubble, and after that it reduce the size of the bubbles of the message. So once that's what you want, just make a single click on the arrow, then it will send the message, and that's it. You can see the effect. Now you can see when it sends to the person, you can see how the message looks like and what the replay is all about. And that is how to send message with effect on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.